happen. We see am with our korokoro eye, and na our work to make you sabi am. Sharp Sharp Tori on top Christ radio and television. Anywhere where they happen across Obodo Naija and Obodo Igbo, we dey here to serve you hot like Naija jollof. 12 o'clock for afternoon and 4 p.m. agogo na time for the Tori. No miss am o, because on top Christ radio and television, your matter na we own.
Good afternoon to you and you with a listen and the watch us on Top Christ Radio and TV. This na Sharp Sharp Tori for this hour. My name remain Princess Anyana. Here all the tourists them with the make hot news right now. Make we carry you enter for inside Kebbi State, where we say farmers for Augie local government area that side don't begin they fear now mind they cut them after people they suspect saying are terrorists from that terrible Lakurawa group. They drop serious threatening to them. They want them say they know they use all this mechanical machine take the farm again. According by the Tori from security Sabiman Zagazola Makama, these terrorists then promise say they go kill anybody where they see say they use machine instead of cow to take the farm. This one don't cause serious jack-up of mind for all those communities, and many of them of recent begin to use all this modern terror farming style sake of say they thief the cow where they use farm for that area. When they ask police public talk person for inside Kebbi State, Nafiu Abubakar, say yes, in their way of this matter, but say they no worry, in go shook eye to touch light arm. Moving from Kebbi, make we also enter inside another Tori. As in right now, still for on top security matters now, we don't yet said another brigade don't start again for inside Plateau State. As people where they feel saying that men will carry gun, don't go kill about 15 people for Bokkers and Mangu local government areas inside that state. This recent glass blows happened yesterday will be Thursday for night for Manja community of Chakfem Kingdom inside Mangu and Tangur community for Bokkers, as these bad guys then gathered like fly enter those communities for different times. Plateau State Police Command Alfred Alaba still never fit yarn anything to our Tori people as at the time when would they do this story them. And inside the Southwest, one socio-political group owned those citizens for good governance don't tell Ogbonge government and even the National Assembly say abeg upgrade the Southwestern Security Network where they call Amotekun, say make them become a full state police so that it go tight up security of lives and property of the people inside that area. Amotekun security outfits na body where they start in the Southwest for January 2020, make it for solve insecurity wahala for that area. This group also talk say they not agree, they not support that idea of to put forest guards where go they run control of the forests inside the country. Second say there's no need for it as them for their states they already get different security bodies on ground. And moving on, the National Pension Commission, that now the Jambody, where they arrange pension matter, don't come out now say the total money where they don't make under the contributory pension scheme increased to 23.33 trillion naira as at March 31 this year. Now the Director of Surveillance for this PENCOM, Dr. Oga Salim Abdul Rahman, now he and this one for inside Lagos. He said this number now use 820 billion naira higher if you compare with the 22.51 trillion naira with a record as at December 31 of 2024. He said the reason why pension money increased like this now sake of the extra contribution from those people who get retirement savings account and then investment income plus all the gain from the increase inside prices and income from interest them. And moving to politics, especially when they give sense talk special to President on top information strategy Bayo Onanuga. Don't say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu go choose the person where go follow do running mate for 2027 presidential election after the ruling party APC do their next convention. Onanuga yan all this one yesterday will be Thursday for talk with Tori people. All this in talk they happen take off all the confusion, the we won't nearly scatter the All Progressives Congress. People will get mouth levels for their matter meeting where they do for Gombe of recent, where some people come for stage to talk, support Tinubu for second term. They no mention Vice President Kashim Shettima. That's how they no mention Kashim Shettima being caused serious vesbele for inside those delegates. And some of them even scatter the event with different kind of whoa, and even threat to commit violence. And from there, make we travel to outside country, where we say people there where they do minister work for outside country matter from UK, French and Germany say they go sit down to do talk with the Minister of Outside Country Matter from Iran inside Geneva today as part of everything to take a calm down that gbasgbos between Israel and Iran. As they're ready for this meeting, the second on top outside country matter from UK, David Lammy, saying he gets some kind opening where they inside the next 2 weeks for them to get a peaceful solution to the problem. All this one they happen after the White House don't talk say US President Donald Trump go decide inside the next 2 weeks whether to take a direct US action. And now here now we'll take close mouth on top sharp Tori for this hour. Not forget, say if you want to sabi more, join us again in the 4 o'clock hour for another beautiful one. Till then, continue to follow us on top all of our social media handles at Christ Said Radio TV. My name na Princess Anyana. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon.